हेलो किड्स, आज हम सीखेंगे ABC विथ ऑब्जेक्ट. दिस इज लेटर A फॉर एप्पल. A. लेटर A. This is letter B. B for banana. B. Letter B. This is letter C. C for cherry. Apple. A for apple. Letter A for apple. Letter B for banana. B for banana. Letter B for banana. Letter C for cherry. C for cherry. Color names: A. blue color. Letter A, blue color. Letter B, green color. B, green color. B, green color. Apple, red color. Red color. Apple, red color. Banana, yellow color. B for banana, yellow color. Cherry, red color. C for cherry, red color. Letter C, purple color. C, purple color. Thanks for watching. Bye bye kids. Do subscribe.